Welcome to tinyhandsart.
Yay!
Hi friends! Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute owl sitting on a branch with colorful glitter. So grab your colors and let's get started. First, I draw the bill and face side of the owl. Then, I draw two big round eyes. Next, I draw the eyebrow above each eye. Then I draw the wings and add some beautiful feather patterns inside. After that, I draw the foot and add a stem for the owl to sit on. Next, I draw some leaves around the stem. I also add more feathers on the body side to give it detail. Finally, I draw a few more leaves outside the owl to make it look lively. Now it's time to color. First, I use black and gray to color the owl's big shiny eyes. Owls are nocturnal birds, which means they sleep during the day and are active at night. Then I use yellow for the face and body side. They have very sharp eyesight and hearing, which helps them hunt in the dark. Next, I take orange to color the eyebrows, wings, and foot. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around up to 270 degrees. For the bill, I use bright red. I use brown for the stem the owl is sitting on. And finally, I use green to color all the leaves beautifully. Owls have soft feathers that help them fly silently. This makes them amazing hunters. Our cute glittery owl is ready. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to tinyhandsart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any fun drawing videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.